So friends, welcome back to our Pagat Contest YouTube channel. So this is the part 2 video of Tata InnoVerse season 6. So when you type in the Google www.tatainnoverse.com, you will get into this link. So we have already done a video regarding Tata InnoVerse season 6 where we have showcased many contests about Tata InnoVerse and the prize amount involved in this contest. So at the continuation of this video, we are going to discuss about the new titles and the areas of Tata InnoVerse competition. So the first title today we will discuss about is the silt removal from open cast chromatic mine. This is the first challenge they were asked in the Tata InnoVerse season 6 updated theme. So what is the main concept of this silt removal from open cast chromatic mine? And they have said that they will be rewarding 10 lakhs rupees for the best idea. What you're going to tell? So in this, they want you to discover an idea to remove the silt formation in the mining sector because it affects the mining industries. So when you read this, you can get the details of all the. So when you read this page, you can get the details of all the things related to that. So the main important theme they're going to need is the idea. What you're going to discover should be able to handle the particle size of 0 to 200 millimeter, and it should be able to lift the slurry up to a height of around 120 meter, and no additional dewatering facility should be required. The silt must be removed to chrome ore beneficiation pan directly, and solution should be arrived with less investment. That is, the total investment should be lesser than 1 crore for the removal of this thing. So the next theme in the season 6 new concepts are alternate mining technology was for steel gradient mining. So what they've asked in this theme also rewarded up to 10 lakhs for the best idea. So this idea is also a kind of research theme where they have asked you to find a solution for excavation of up to 20 meters beyond the pit limit. So in this, the main problem is the pit wall will collapse beyond 6 meter excavation. So you have to design a system for this idea, and you can read all the details regarding this in this page. The main requirements you have to fulfill are the pit slope should be within the prescribed limits. The solution should reduce mining operation cost by 15%. Production should be increased by 1.5 times, and you can read all the details regarding to this page, so that because I am an electrical engineer, I don't know about this theme elaborately. So please check into that in the link. And the next theme what they have asked. The next theme what they asked is the chimney inspection and maintenance. So this is also a kind of civil engineering based type. The reward is about 3 lakhs, and you have to develop a system just used to inspect the chimney located in the industry, which will be of 150 plus feet height. The entire system should be maintained, and the strength of the chimney should be checked frequently. The main success criteria what they have installed already is the wall thickness along the locations have been measured, map the condition to the chimney, and represent the data in a digital form for a better visualization is also achieved, and it should be included in your proposal. So check in all details regarding this in this page. And next important theme from the season 6 of Tata InnoVerse is flame ignition in flare stacks. So what is this theme says, and the reward for this theme is around 3 lakhs. So the byproduct gases of BF and LD are burned before releasing to the atmosphere through chimneys, and it consists of 3 heads main gas, each having 4 igniters at the top of the chimney, and the flame ignition through this gas, which are positioned at the topmost point of these flash stacks. A detection system is used to detect the violet flame is glowing. It becomes difficult to detect the pressure or absence of the flame for various reasons. So for that, they have asked you to develop a system to monitor the entire the flame of the system. So the advanced details and the most important details are given here for your idea submission. You can see in this page, it's a kind of gas and material science of kind of theme. This is the residual stress management of steel strips. This comes under the steel maintenance. The reward will be around 3 lakhs. So the steel strips will be the width of 400 to 1800 millimeter, and the thickness will be around 1 to 8 millimeter, and produced by a hot strip mill or a cold rolling mill. So when you roll this steel, it will have a warp or a twist and bend in the system. You have to develop a system in order to maintain the stress level in the steel strips. So if you have a good idea for this theme, you can apply for it. So after seeing all the details according to various contests, select any one theme and apply here. So you have to click the I have read and agree to Tata InnoVerse terms and conditions and privacy policy, and you have to click the give you a solution to this challenge button. So you have discussed many times about this proposal submission. So when you register here, you have to give a new registration. If you are a new entrant, you have to go for the sign up page here. If you already have an account, you can go for the all registered page, and you can give the email ID and password. You will go to the submission page. So as I am already registered entrant, I am getting directed to my page, and you can see here my previous submissions here. And if you click the challenge button, you will get the season 6 page, and you can select the respective theme which you are going to apply. I am selecting flame ignition in flash stacks, and I am giving the I have read and agreed button, and give you a solution to this challenge. You will go to the proposal submission page. So in Tata InnoVerse, you cannot submit any images. So prepare your document only in Word file, and you can type your title for your idea in this column, and next your idea description can be given here. There are limit of words in this Tata InnoVerse page. Check through that, and you have to tell here what are the other ideas relevant to this you have seen in the market. You can state here and tell disadvantages of their idea already available in market, and you have to restate the problem statement what you understand in Tata InnoVerse blog. And next, and you have to state what are the positive and unique results we can expect for your idea to Tata InnoVerse from your team. And here you have to state what are the positive and unique results you are going to give for the Tata InnoVerse problem statement. And next, the estimated investment required to develop your project, you have to state here. And finally, if you give the generate auto text button, auto text will be generated, and you can submit the proposal. So friends, the most of the videos which I have done have reached many persons, but Tata InnoVerse videos has not reached to that much persons. I think many of you are not aware of the contest organized by Tata InnoVerse. So try to apply for this contest to have a very good idea. And they also said that the best idea will be given a startup support through the Tata InnoVerse startup sphere. You can see here all the details. And thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and comment for your questions so that I can answer for that. Thank you.